Hey guys, Oliver here. So this is a Kohler K321 engine. I think it's 14 horsepower, and it is from this Jacobson 1450 Super Chief with the hydro. Yeah. So I'm in the process of rebuilding it. Obviously, it's taken out and over here on the workbench, and yeah, I'm basically doing, it's not like a full rebuild, because I'm not like, I know some people might bore the engine or something, but I'm just putting in new piston with new rings. The piston is the same size as the old one. I'm just putting in new rings, and I'm lapping the valves. This one is done. I think I could get it to pop up. Can't really see in there, but it is lapped. Actually, there's a bubble. Yeah, I don't know how well you could see that, but it is like ground smooth. And then this one I'm in the process of doing with the things and this stuff. So yeah, the old piston, actually don't know where it is right now. I would show you like what the old rings look like, but I don't know where it is at the moment. But yeah, so this will kind of be, I guess, a series type thing, because I mean, I've already started, but I guess I'll start the series now, and you guys can just follow me through as I do this. So see you in the next video.